If you're somebody who has stiff hips and just feels a little bit of tightness when they're walking and you don't necessarily like to stretch, well, today I've got two perfect exercises for you that doesn't necessarily require too much stretching, but they're really easy mobility exercises which will help you to loosen up those hips. I'm Gavin Noble from Gavin Noble Physiotherapy and here at the 10X Physio Channel. Remember, this is the channel that teaches you all the best top tips and tricks to maintain a healthy life. Today we're looking at easy hip mobility exercises. So we're going to crack on and just get into that first one. So if you have stairs or a step at home, really easy. But again, at the same time, don't worry if you don't have a step, you can do this without the step. So you see I have a step here. So this first exercise, we're basically just going to take one foot up onto the step. Now again, if you can do this on your stairs, if you've got a handrail or a wall close by, that can help you keep and maintain your balance if you need that. And all we're doing in this position is just looking to stretch off the front of this hip, and all we're doing is just taking a little lean forward and coming back. We're just going to really run through this about 10 times, just really opening up. So just really feel that hip opening up there. So again, just nice and easy. Again, if you have a wall or a banister you need to just keep your balance, then that is there for you. Okay, so that's the first one. So from there, again, remember, always do the other side as well. So remember, you take the other leg up and we can go straight in and do that other side as well. And again, we're going to do that about 10 times on each side. So again, it's just a nice little starter to help that mobility in the hips. So the next one is we're going to be at this side position. Okay, so we're going to again just step one foot up onto the step. So again, if you've got a banister in front of you, again you can just gently hold on to that to maintain your balance. All we're going to do here is just take a little lean again, just over to the side. So we're just letting that knee just come over the toes. Okay, so the knee just comes over the toes that way, and again we're just opening up into the inside of the groin and inside of that hip. And again, just really just mobilizing into that hip. So again, remember, we're going to do about 10 on each side. Okay, and then once you've obviously done 10, you'll swap right round. Okay, just turn my back, and we're just going to do exactly the same thing over to the other side. So nice and easy. So 10 on that side as well. So really nice hip mobility exercises, especially if you don't necessarily like stretching too much. They're really simple, quick to do. All you need to do is 10 of each of those on each leg, which will help improve that hip mobility and warm those hips up. So there we are. There we have those two simple exercises. If you like what you've seen, please feel free to comment, ask us any questions you want. We do reply to all of those. Like and share the post, especially share this with somebody who you know that has stiff hips, that doesn't necessarily like stretching, then please share it with them. And again, please feel free. Also look around on the 10X Physio Channel. There's lots of other helpful videos with top tips and tricks. And I'm Gavin Noble from Gavin Noble Physiotherapy, the 10X Physio Channel. Thank you for watching.